I'm Natalie, and for my project, I did color theory. Color is an important factor in all of our day-to-day lives, often more than we realize it. To understand color, first let's look at how we see and comprehend it. When we see color, our eyes and brain work together to translate this light into color. The light receptors within our eyes transmit messages to the brain to produce the sensation of color. We only perceive the reflected colors from an item. The colors are not in the item. Red is not in this red ball. What we're seeing is the reflection of the wavelength as the color red as the ball absorbs all other light waves. When we look at things, the light, or the wavelength that is reflected off of this thing, travels to the retina in the back of our eyes. The retina is covered in millions of light-receptive cells called rods and cones. Most people have 3 cones, a red one, a blue one, and a green one. These cones perceive the colors by detecting the light and sending signals to the brain. The cones combine to create a new unique signal for each color. This can include combinations of each cone to create new colors. When we interpret these colors, they can make us subconsciously feel emotions. This is because all of our lives we've been taught to associate colors with emotions. For example, warm colors like red and orange spark emotions of warmth and comfort. They can also instill feelings of anger and hostility. Colors can also impact performance. In one study done by the University of Rochester, they found that when students saw the color red before taking a test, they did worse than the students who didn't. For a part of my project, I interviewed 6 students, showed them a color, and then asked them some questions about the color. I asked them, overall, what feelings did this color bring? What they associated with this color? Are those things good or bad? Which of these 3 words best fits with this color? Safety, caution, or danger? And then I showed them a picture of the sign that the color was taken from. I then asked them if the sign fit with the color shown, why or why not. In similar studies done by real scientists, they found that red was associated with anger, danger, importance, and hostility, and yellow was associated with happiness, friendliness, and caution. Now let's look at the results of my study. Right off the bat, what are your feelings about this color?
It's giving like angry or like aggressive.
Anger?
It's not my favorite.
It's not your favorite color?
No.
What things do you associate with this color?
Like fire and like a stop sign.
I don't know.
I feel like red brings like kind of anger.
Anger?
Yeah. I associate with like the color red kind of like someone being mad or like a stop sign or like to stop doing something.
Right.
Flowers.
Flowers. Are those things good or bad?
Mostly bad, I guess.
Good?
More bad, like danger.
Which of the 3 words best fits with this color? Safety, caution, or danger?
Danger.
Danger.
I'm gonna go with danger.
Danger. Now I'm going to show you the sign, or the picture that it came from. Does this color fit with the sign, why or why not?
Yeah, it does. Well, I guess not, because it's like preventing danger, like if you're stopping.
Right.
Yes. Because like I don't know how to describe this. You need to stop and to avoid danger, and I don't know.
I feel like it does because it's like both caution and danger because it's like so because the red like shows that there is danger and then the stop shows that there's caution, so it's kind of alarming, and like when you see it you're like, oh, I have to stop at this point.
That's a really good point. I really appreciate your feedback,
Yep.
Hayden. Thanks for joining us
You're
today.
welcome.
Tanny, this is the color that I'm showing you. Right off the bat, what feelings does this color bring?
Like summer, like warm and like happiness.
And happiness? What?
Happiness.
Happiness?
Happiness.
Happiness?
Yeah.
What do you associate with this color?
The sun.
The sun?
Like the sun.
The sun.
The sun.
Mm-hmm.
Are these things good or bad?
Good.
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 They're good. Which of these 3 words best fits with this color? Safety, caution, or danger?
Safety.
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 Safety. So this is the sign that I got the color from. Does the sign fit with the color, why or why not?
No, because I think a caution sign should be like red, because like red is more like a danger color, but yellow seems like a safe color.
Yes.
Yes, why or why not?
It's the same color.
Does it make sense though? Do you know what I mean?
Not really.
Yeah, I guess. Well, maybe just because it says caution.
Right. So it fits, but not in the way that you were thinking of.
Yeah.
As we can see, the results were kind of underwhelming. Although the red was pretty close to the actual study, bringing about feelings of anger, madness, and danger, the yellow went a little bit far askew by only bringing feelings of happiness and the sun. Overall, I thought this topic was super interesting to learn about, although it was super under-researched. In the future, I'd like to see more research done about this topic so then we can use it in more things like marketing to make us feel things about companies and more day-to-day experiences.